Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable the reading pane in Gmail on your PC. By following a few simple steps, you can customize your Gmail inbox to suit your preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the top of the Settings page, click on Inbox. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Reading Pane section. Next to it, you'll see a checkbox. Disable the checkbox to turn off the reading pane. By disabling the reading pane, you'll have a more streamlined view of your inbox, without the preview of emails on the right-hand side. Remember, you can always enable the reading pane again by following the same steps and checking the checkbox. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.